They are an essential element of modern food production, or potentially dangerous chemicals associated with cancer and birth defects. The arguments for and against the use of pesticides are fueling a row which reaches a key stage in the European Parliament next week. The EU wants to ban British farmers from using a wide range of chemicals, which it says are dangerous to humans.
These are the substances that are most dangerous to human health, that cause cancer, that disrupt the body's internal systems, reproductive and otherwise. And we need to make sure that farmers, who are actually most affected by the health effects of these products, and the people living in rural areas, as well as consumers who are eating the food at the end of the day, we need to make sure that they're as protected as possible, while, of course, maintaining the possibility of farmers to control pests.
The government says if Euro MPs have their way, as many as 85% of chemicals currently used in Britain could be banned. A more limited ban is likely, but even this would still mean around 15% of agricultural chemicals currently being used being outlawed. Farmers echo those concerns. They say a ban could lead to a disastrous reduction in yields and big price hikes on traditionally grown British produce like this. The Brussels sprouts being picked here in Lincolnshire will be on supermarket shelves across the UK in less than 12 hours. Here they say crop control, which includes the use of pesticides, is essential. Without it, they'd waste 4 times as much of their crop, so growing it would just not be viable.
Broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, onions and a number of other crops just could not be grown in this country. It would not be possible to produce the quality, healthy food, fruit and veg that we currently produce at the prices that consumers are currently enjoying. We would see significant price increases, doubling, tripling, and in some cases, particularly low-income families, would not be able to afford healthy fruit and vegetables.
Farmers say the ban will mean more vegetables will be imported from outside the EU, where there are fewer pesticide controls.
They look great.
Ministers believe the proposals have not been thought through properly.
The British government has been at the forefront in Europe in saying, hang on a minute, we don't think that you've got this right. Have you thought through the consequences? Because our own assessment tells us that it could have a very damaging impact for no discernible benefit for human health. That's why we're asking Europe to think again.
We think these proposals are a small step in the right direction. They don't go far enough. They could go further, and the British government should be pushing for them, not opposing them.
Next week's vote will frame the proposals which could dictate the future of pesticide use across Europe and the difficult balance between protecting people and feeding them. Keith Doyle, BBC News.